How to fix no sound when playing videos on iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Turn the vertical volume slider all the way up to maximum. Tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off, in case your iPhone is connected to wireless headphones, a speaker, or your car. Next, open a video in the Photos app. If you still can't hear any sound, tap the mute icon at the bottom right of the video to unmute it. If you're watching a video in YouTube or another app, press play and confirm that the sound works. If it doesn't, swipe down from the top right again and make sure the volume slider is all the way up. If you still have no sound, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General, scroll to the bottom, and tap Shut Down to restart your phone. Restarting often fixes sound glitches. If the issue continues, open Settings again and tap Sounds and Haptics. Find the Change with Buttons toggle. Turn it on if it's off, or toggle it off and then back on if it's already enabled. Use the physical volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to turn the volume all the way up. Now go back and play your video, making sure the on-screen volume slider is up as well. This should restore sound when watching videos.